Yo, we got sound. Dewey's got the sound. Let's check it out. The more I add to OBS, the more slower it gets. It's crazy. It's not even like budging my computer as far as power usage. So that's lame, but whatever. I'll try another camera some other time. Probably do some test streams over the weekend just so you guys are aware. I do see that it wants to reach up eventually. I don't trust it. Even though I was just eyeballing that right there. I was going to take that indigo. But whatever. I'm actually really happy with today and the whole month. This is what it means to be In-N-Out Burger on days that you don't do very well. And I don't do very well on Fridays, historically speaking. It says so in my journal. So I'm just going to be happy with that. 5,300 closing out for January. A lot of up and downs this month as far as P&L goes. And I've been rounding down, so it's probably a little more, but that's cool. How'd you do today? You could see why I would not do very well on a Friday, right? And then you're like, oh, but you won your trade. That's because I just followed a model, took what I could get out of it, and then bounced. Like, even if I was aiming for that pool of liquidity, or even this little nipple here, never even hit it. So just get in and out. That is, I you know, depending on if we go run for this down here somewhere, which it definitely looks heavy. Every time it looks like it wants to change directions, it comes crashing right back down. So yeah, I hope you guys like the new colors. I'm gonna be adding some stuff, maybe taking away some stuff. Doesn't look too noisy. Let me know your honest thoughts. I think the colors all kind of blend together nicely, and it's rather pleasant, especially on iPhone. Colors are deep, so that's cool. Who do we all got here today? Shout out to Martin. Go help the bear. Hey man, friend, is this the layout you were testing last night? Actually, no. What I was testing last night was these. Right? So if somebody becomes a member,
here's the thing.
Fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
hold on, I'm 10 seconds behind on my phone. I want to hear it too. There's no sound? Do you guys hear stuff? I don't have sound. Hello? Sound. Well, there we go. All right, one more time.
Here's the thing.
Fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded. Here's the thing. Listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Classic. All right, and if you subscribed,
sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
anybody got lag or is it just me? That's so awesome. Okay. What else is there? And donos. So if you send a super chat, I'll give which one? Which one? I'll definitely do this one.
But I'm so smart. Me. I am so smart. Me. Look at my magical indicator. Look at my squiggly line.
Oh, it's glitching. Wow, that looked really glitchy. That's lame. See, I knew not to trust that. Look at it. Look at it being a butt face. Right there. See? See? And this, I used to get so angry on Fridays and it would ruin my weekend. I hate Friday. And people would be like, don't hate. Well, I need that hate to protect my capital. So, let's see. Yeah, it's like glitchy. I mean, since we're hanging out, so annoying. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See if using an external camera helps at all. Lighten the load by 1%. It's not bad. I guess everything helps, huh? Yeah. Wow, kind of smooth. A little big though. There we go. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right. Sweet. All right, solved that problem. What else we got? Oh yeah, so that was a $15 dono.
But I'm so smart. Me. I am so smart. Me. Look at my magical indicator. Look at my squiggly line.
I don't know why it's so glitchy. That's awesome. So those are the things that I was testing out. All right. And then I wanted a chat box on my screen. So I told you guys I'd hook you up with a chat box on my screen. And once I added it, it threw the whole platform into clunky mode. And it looked cool when I was overlaying on top of the canvas here on the screen. It just looked like poop. So, it looked like, I don't know. Right? So it was cool when everything was overlaid on this, but then without this cool background and all these little borders, it just looked really, really gross and unprofessional. And this looks a lot better. Hey, there we go. Diving. What time is it? Oh, time to dive, I guess. How many hex do I have to dono to get the DJ cat? That's a big dono. Yeah, that's the $50 dono. And this one's the $100 dono. I guess they're like, no, you stop trading today. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm good there. So yeah, here's one that Mr. Butters sent yesterday. He said he wanted to try the portal, but he didn't do 5, he did 368. So this is the less than $5.
We tried, right?
I tried.
We did our best. That's all
Well,
that
I did
matters.
my best. We tried.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Yeah, so I'll add some more of those, and there's some funny ones too. that'll save for when it happens. Man, is today recycling day? Is it recycle day? Yeah, we're good. I did that already. Where were we? Oh yeah. Upgrades. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. Hopefully they come up with some new music soon too. That'd be nice. What's up, E-Boogie? Hey, you like that, eh? Yeah. Gotta figure out what's up with my connection, because it's forcing me to be 10 seconds back. Yeah, that's about it. So it was like today, the last day of the month. Wow. January's over already? Thank goodness. Let's get out of here. Okay, so February 2nd is Monday. Interesting. Very interesting. You guys want to check out the Forex factory? Let's make a game plan for next week. If you don't know, it's forexfactory.com/calendar, Forex factory.com/calendar. Hit the little golf tee, just turn the red folders on. And so we've got Monday PMI. Yay. We already know it's garbage. We can see in the charts, consumer sentiment sucks. That's a backwards looking indicator. They all are. Jolts. I don't mind jolts. So depends what happens on Monday. I'd be really interested in Tuesday. Do we have a banking holiday? No. Sweet. All right. Wednesday. So are we back to non-farm normal here? This is assuming we don't get a government shutdown. And personally, I'm 90% sure we're not going to get a shutdown. Trump won't let it happen. Like, he will arrest people. He's sick of it. There's some leaked footage of him, audio of him being really angry. We all know why they're not doing their jobs, right? Anyway, Wednesday, 8:15 a.m. Okay, so Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, don't trade Wednesday. You'll die. Thursday, no trading. And we just have unemployment claims. Friday is non-farm. Oh my goodness. We have non-farm on Friday, the first Friday of the month. And the beginning of the month lands at the beginning of the week. So that's pretty sweet. That means our timing could go really well this week. What are we looking for if that's the case? And there we go, running to my maybe target. Right there. That one. Did we bink it? Boop. We did. Boo. Not my original bias, but that's okay. It's okay. Anyway. Jeez. That's a horrible weekly close. Wow, that's a horrible monthly close. So compressions all around. Wow. Framing it both ways. You see a swing low, you see a swing high. Compression candle. We're in a premium. Uh-oh. Oh. I mean, if it was going to murder everybody next week, this is where I'd say it's going. Right there. We'll finish that inefficiency up. Like, just drop straight for it. Boom. So when you're in a big, giant, stupid range like this, and you're like, okay, well, I went back 20 freaking days, now what? Right? There's 20. Right? You're still sitting at equilibrium. Go back 40 days. And then go 60 days. So this is 40, right? Still sitting at EQ. Go back 60 days. And that's the lowest low. And I'm doing it from next Monday. And that's the highest high. So it's not it's not like beyond the capabilities of it just flash dropping down here, by the way. We could close here and open up down here next week if it wanted to. And if that was to happen, that means big baby Bitcoin's gonna drop. Oh my goodness. Wow, target acquired. I was aiming for this 2-hour swing low. Right there, that sneaky little bugger. And yesterday it looked like it was gonna reverse and then did the kill shot. Eek. Well, whatever. Target acquired. Next. Yeah, so if that happens, holy shnikey. Where's Bitcoin going if Nasdaq dumps? The next logical spot that I would pull a fib from is here. See that low under the 786? That's if we were going down there, that would be the bait trap. Right there, that little double bottom there. And this could be a point for a reversal. I really don't see retail getting their $50,000 cookie. Okay? Like that, it's just the only time Main Street eats is when price is going up irrationally. And people are just longing breakouts and it's going up anyway, so they're that's the only time Main Street eats. Like, they are offside all the time. That just doesn't make sense. But I'll save that for the Discord. If that breaks, that's the next spot. If that breaks, that's the next spot. If everything fails, there's a double bottom right there. Right? So 25K. If Andrew Tate really, if he really called out 25K, I'm gonna. But even just in the repeating nature of things, pulling from the bear low to the bull high, if that is in fact, we won't break, 38K. It's the same repeating phenomenon of every other cycle. Right? You come tap the 786, mohawk through it a bit. So, if that's the case, then yay, away we go. But I mean, I'll be 200xing when we get down here, so. And holding for 3 years. Oh yeah, I was doing shadow. That's what I was doing. Let's go back to Nasdaq. Bitcoin's lame. So yeah, that'd be cool. Who else? P-Dye, what's up, man? Hello, Payne. No kidding, man. Today was ruthless. Is the red, that was a bearish breaker, and it seems to be working out now. That original thing that I had on there, barber trader, and it looked like order flow was bullish for the moment. Oh, which one was it? Oh, it was a lower time frame. Right. It's 5 minute. Yeah, you'll have to go back, but yeah, it was a bearish breaker, and then we started like breaking through it. So I was like, okay, oh yeah, these guys here. Who changed the candlesticks? Was that right there? So at that time, it was looking really heavy, and then when it, did my little thing here, and we closed back above it, I removed it because order flow looked bullish. It looked like we could get a bullish order block. Timing was all right, and nope. And now look at her. How dare you sign me out? Anyway, yeah, so that was that. Yeah, about $5,300 to finish the month. It's pretty good. Just for hanging out in PM sessions. That's awesome. That's like more than anyone makes at a job. What's up, MG? What's up, Trippy? Hey, man. Yeah, it's nice to see you again. I can't wait to see you back in the Discord. Hope you're not hanging around with those dorks. Talking trash on my name. You see your P&L for the month. Probably at a net negative billions. Not you, Trippy. You know who I'm talking about. Yeah. So yeah, I want to get some new music too. But limited. Not POI. It was a bearish order block, correct. Yeah, order flow was definitely bearish. Nice job. So when you're doing your annotations, I mean, just wait for your stop hunts, bro. Just wait for the stop hunts. That's all you gotta do, bro. And I know it sounds toxic if you're a retail trader. Oh, what do you mean it's all you have to do? Yeah. Do things a little bit different around here. If you can't identify the stop hunt, you're gonna get stop hunted. Yeah, forget the Super Bowl. Yeah, I don't want to watch that either. I've actually never been into sports like that. Yeah, I have no friends. My only friend is TradingView and skiing. Yeah, well, that comes with the territory, bro. Like if you've got no friends now, wait till you make it. You're being prepped for making it because it's a lonely life. Oh, chat just reset. You're right. Shout out, go help the bear. I agree with Joe's constructive criticism. Here we go. Very nice layout. I prefer if the chart was a little bit bigger. Let's see what we got here. A little better? Hmm. It's not too bad. How come you want the chart to be bigger? That's what I want to know. I think the turtle could be turned down a bit. But I might want to add some things, right? Now, if you guys are on YouTube, you can do this beautiful zoom thing, right? You can move the screen to where you want. Did you know that? You can zoom on YouTube. Friend, we are blind. What do you mean? I can see. What you talking about? That was so much better. Chat is the wrong size. Well. I was trying to like get it above this bar stools so it looked cool. We're sitting out together at the bar. And then when I tried to put like this the chart on the behind the bar thing, then it was really too small. This stuff is so frustrating to me. You have no idea. Like, this is why I get Ninja Indians to do my coding. Oh, by the way, if you guys are shadow banned and like ghost banned on X, let the counter reset. It's choppy again. Boo. Oh man, do I really bust out my PC? Just about threw up. I'm in significant position. That is time exit today. Sweet. Yeah, my wife short at the top today. She's savage. She did it last night. Went to bed, woke up. Dopamine. How's that? Work with you a little bit on that. It's not too bad. The only thing that stinks is when you go into full screen on a YouTube device is it cuts off the frog. Turtle. All right, what's up, Captain Edge? Love you too, brother. Been a minute. I hope you're doing good, bro. You rock. Go. Now nothing's touching. I don't like it touching. Somebody pointed this out earlier. I think that was you, right? Screen didn't capture. Or was it the trade one? Chat. Chat looks good. She is crazy good at all day trades. Yeah, she knows how to hang on. Yeah, she knows what she's looking for. I mean, she did that on her own. She doesn't copy me. She doesn't listen to me. We don't talk TA together. We're not like, oh, blah, blah, blah. This is what we want. We just literally do our own thing. I guess maybe with some of the psychological stuff I helped with along the way. Oh yeah, I like that. Nice. But she sure does bring you coffee while you're live. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's based, dude. She's real based. Even more than you think. I don't know, I'm kind of happy with that. How about you guys? Oh, fancy, yeah. So just a bit bigger. I made it a bit bigger. Too bad I couldn't like free transform and make it my own size, but I guess you risk losing aspect ratio. I guess that's another bearish order block. I'm under the impression we go up, bro. Like, you know, how much more do you want to go down today? I mean, look, for 2 p.m., if it's going to run and you're on side for that, aim for previous day low. Typically, you're going to take one or the other, right? So, aim for that puppy. And if that's the case, grab consequent encroachment here. And that's what I'd aim for. If I was bearish bias, that's what I would aim for. So, you could be onto something. But I would like to see it reprice into this double top just for a big, middle finger to the retail today just to ruin their weekend. What's up, Reliable J? What's up, Gypsum Geek? What's up, E Boogie Bellicose? What's up, MG? Got Wild Berries. What's up, man? They have a special price for cider on Friday. Nice. It's been lagging sometimes since the beginning of the stream. Yeah, for me too. To call my ISP and be like, yo, better hook me up because this is hardwired. Wait, no, not this computer. Still, they're like 2 feet away from each other. You had a poop day. Oh well, bro. Don't stress it. Even when you guys see me take big fat max daily losses, right? And then recover. You have, 25, 20, sometimes 22 maybe trading days out of the month, right? And that's the whole thing of being consistent in your rules. You guys see me take big fat losses and I'm closing the month with a big fat P&L because I didn't let that shit destroy me, dude. Sometime during your journey, you'll have that epiphany and you'll be like, oh, if I only lose $1,000 on a day that's not very favorable, it's easy to regain that on a day that's favorable. Right? Hit max loss $1,500, $1,501, and then the following day make 27. It was actually 28. It was 27.94. So I rounded down again. But I do that because I just always do that. But yeah. Right? Close the month positive. You guys get too hooked in the now instead of looking at later. Oh, it's being a complete prick today. Oh, okay, well, I'll just wait for it to not be such a butt face. And if I was going long, that would have been it right there. My stop would be here. Let's take a practice trade together. Take practice trades, why not? And we will go for midway of the range. Stop loss, half that up close candle. Half the breaker. See what happens. It's not like I'm cherry picking that pump. I said 3 minutes ago that I would like to see it price up here today. And ruin retail. Let's see. The turtle's bugging me out. Hi. It's my disguise. Glitchy here too. How about now? Either you're a recycler or you're not. Save the trees. Yeah, I just did a mass cleanup 2 weeks ago, or 2 weeks ago. After Christmas, there's nothing left to recycle here. Did it. What these guys are doing, they'll have like 2 pieces of little cardboard and then bring their recycling bin out to the street. Really? You're gonna make the garbage guy stop at your house for like 2 pieces of cardboard? Really? These people. You can tell when it's garbage day versus recycling because the garbage cans that he's lifting sound empty. Round trips 3 times and took partial. Now my target hit. I know, right? Buttface. The chart has a pretty bad quality, just so you know. No, bro, that's your end. Yeah, you're going to want to press the little gear icon and then change your quality in the advanced settings to high quality. Because that looks mint where I'm at. Yeah, I got 1920 by 1080. That looks really sharp from where I sit, bro. No, it's just me. I had the chat. Well, here we go. If it takes a 50K or even lower, are you saying the bull run is... Oh, we never had a bull run. We've been in an extended black swan bear market. And people would be like, oh, Bitcoin went up to $127,000. Whoop-de-doo. It barely didn't even 2x its previous all-time high. Congratulations. Nice bull run. You claimed the best bull run ever. Good for you. Yeah. We've been in an extended bear cycle. And yes, sure, Bitcoin's walked up, so what? Whoop-de-doo. So it went up for a week and then stayed stagnant for 6 months, went up for a week, stayed stagnant for 6 months, at 8 months, right? Went up for 2 weeks and then went up for chop for 210 days. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's what you call a bull run, guys? Oh, the bull run's over. There was never a bull run this time. It didn't exist, no matter what anybody tells you. Ethereum's dog trash, and so is every altcoin out there. Nothing's 50xing, nothing's 100xing, 10,000xing. I didn't see none of that. And those of you that weren't around for previous cycles, you don't know. And you're listening to people who don't know. We'll get our bull run. It's got to be patient. You just have to be able to hold longer than all the emotional people. That's it. Okay? If it takes 9 years, who cares? You want to get rich for good, or you want to get rich quick? I got rich quick. You don't get to keep it. Okay? You want to get rich for good. Anyway, back to this. It doesn't matter to me, man. Price goes up, price goes down. Let's go to a discount. I don't care. Look at all the people crying. Oh, it's because they bought the top. Newsflash, if you're crying because price is moving, you either longed the top or you shorted the bottom. People just like, you wouldn't be crying if you were on side. Holy, I'm funny. Friend, we are blind. The chat is the wrong size. I don't know what you're talking about. I see it clear as day, bro. I like the bigger chart more. 2. But yeah, exactly. You guys are watching your own charts. Friend, are you saying lower prices BTC before any mediocre rallies? No, like, I'm under the impression that the bottom's like in, or it's just gonna pierce the. Okay, so look at, you want to see something really scammy? There you go. This guy right here, okay? You see how it snaps down into the discount, right? And then it runs up. It doesn't shift market structure yet, right? There's no swing high in here. Now there is in a lower time frame, but we're talking about the daily chart. Remember, it's fractal. It's got to bleed out. Comes down for another sweep in liquidity. Does it shift market structure here? Yeah, it could have. You could have picked that, sure. Right? Slams down, hits that 786, and finally gives it up. Right? So that little poke there and that harsh, violent move back up in the lower time frame, that's the signature I'll be looking for before taking another long. Okay? And that's if it comes into this low here. Right? So if it actually hits that low, I want to see this low in forever. I don't ever want to see that broken. If it does, whatever. But that's where the liquidity pool is, where I want to be a buyer, because there's people selling down here and it's a marketplace. So who else we got? Arbitrator, Captain Inch, what's up, man? 1 minute traps. Friend, is that another bearish? Could be. BTC just bounced for the 786, not surprised. Means probably random, right? Definitely never going to bounce off that 786 again. It's random. DCA the way down, amen. Do it. Sold my liver for BTC. That's funny. Yeah, well, if it didn't sign me out of my account, I probably would have taken that. It's okay. So that would have been another $2,500 on top of my $5,500. That would have been cool, but you don't count it. I just like practice trades, you know. Some people, especially if you're new, you'd be like, you know, oh, I missed out on that move. That could have been the one, baby. Who cares? Price is going to move. It's going to move again. Before the end of the day is over, it's going to move again. It's going to move again. Okay, a couple more times, actually. So, you didn't miss out, right? And when you call it quits, you just got to call it quits. Contentment. And this is what I teach my students. Bully price around. Get comfortable. Just telling it where to go and how to get there. And then your reasons for entering a trade in like the AM session just becomes so obvious. Let's go. Would you consider this a shift in structure on NQ? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I considered it down here. There. That too, but I would have accepted that. Demo until master friend tells me I'm ready. 2027. I mean, you'll know when you're ready. If you gotta ask me if you're ready, that means you're not ready. But you'll know. You'll be like, oh my gosh. It just repeats at the same time every freaking day. Once you have that epiphany, you won't be fearful of losses. You won't be fearful of, terrible days, making bad moves. You won't be scared of it no more. You'll invite it. It's part of staying in the game, bro. You go in with a 100% win rate, bro, you're going to get kicked off of prop firms. You're going to get booted from brokers. They'll think you're cheating. You just enjoy losing. People who talk trash on day trading, they can't do it. They couldn't do it. They couldn't hack it. They're too impulsive. They never had proper people to teach them proper, good lessons. And I don't want to name any names, but my friend, he likes to trash talk day trading. It's like, all right, bro, you couldn't do it. All right, let us know. Well, I don't know. Let's see. This guy that one right there. Let it dip in and see what happens. But yeah, that's good for me for the day. Took a little trade, set up the chat, set up everything. Everything looks cool. One more Sammy. See if it's fixed now.
But I'm so smart. Me.
No.
I am so smart. Me. Look at my magical indicator. Look at my squiggly line.
I gotta do something about that glitchy stuff. Maybe I just need a new computer or something. I don't know. Clean it up. Yeah, man, I've cried so hard in the process. Normal people can't know what we've been through. Bro, it's so crazy to watch all these people just not get it and refuse to want to get their hands dirty. It's actually quite amusing. Especially when they see what you can do with just a line on your chart or nothing. Yeah, when you start making real money, you'll cry your eyes out. And it'll be post too. It'll hit you in levels. And yeah, when you're not having to slave to a job, it feels real good. That's all you need. A little bit of self-control goes a long way. It's got 2 more minutes to hit my target. All right, shut it down. Yesterday, you guys remember my timing was at 4:23 for my target to hit, where it said here. I was 7 minutes off. Hit it at 4:30. Oof. Bloods what? Oh, from ear. You might want to go to the doctor, dude. That's brain damage. I have self-control and still suck. You go too hard, bro. You trade too much. You're too excited to get in there. You gotta be more patient, okay? Watch this thing snap up on the 27 candle. Or sorry, the 207 candle. Right here, give me a little slingshot. Chicken poop. There you go. Alright, slingshot mode activated. Have these levels on your charts. Don't forget to pay the trader if you guys are in. You guys have a nice, safe weekend. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And I'll see you guys in the Leverage Mastery very soon. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.